Mobile Locksmith Business, Mornington, Peninsula, Victoria. This well-established mobile locksmith service shows continual growth, increasing demand, and years of positive reviews. The business is already ranked in the top of the organic search results, generating regular inquiries. The service generates a lot of local business in the main, wealthy suburbs of the Mornington Peninsula. Turnover is increased every year with minimal digital costs and no money spent on advertising. The owner has invested a lot of money into building multiple web assets that generate new business at no cost. The business could easily expand into automotive locksmithing or safes, as there are weekly requests for these services.